Got a WF1 file from a Webex meeting and can't figure out how to play it? This is a recording format from Cisco's popular video conferencing platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play and convert this meeting recording. I call this the last resort solution for those WF1 files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. WF1 files are meeting recording files created by Cisco Webex containing captured video audio screen sharing and presentation content from web conference sessions. They store the complete meeting experience in Webex's proprietary recording format for later playback and distribution. Webex WF1 recording files use a proprietary container format, storing synchronized video audio screen capture and annotation streams with meeting metadata, participant information, timestamps, and chapter markers for navigating recorded conference sessions. Essential file access for WF1 relies upon the utility Cisco Webex Player from Cisco Systems, Inc. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows previews many video container types, but effect editing needs professional software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your WF1 file and choose Open With. Test Cisco Webex Player first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your WF1 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the WF1 file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, playing in Webex Player. Download the free Cisco Webex Player from webex.com and open the WF1 file. The player renders the recording with all video, audio, and screen sharing content synchronized. Use playback controls to navigate skip to specific sections and adjust playback speed for review. Next, converting to MP4. Use the Webex recording converter available from Cisco to convert WF1 files to MP4 format for universal playback. The converter processes the recording, maintaining video and audio quality, while producing a standard format compatible with any media player or video platform. Finally, sharing recordings. Upload converted MP4 recordings to video platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or your organization's video portal. Alternatively, share the original WF1 file with recipients who have Webex Player installed. Webex Cloud recordings can also be shared via a direct link from the Webex portal. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.